and welcome to Sandpaper. So I know that all of us are very anxious for the prelims result. Ideally, to ahi jabo lagisile eতিয়ালৈকে হয় না today is I think 10th, so 1 month হতকে বেছি লগালে কি হয় আপোনালোকো কনফিউজন থাকে how to prepare, where to prepare, when to prepare. আমাৰো এটা কনফিউজন থাকে কি when the exam is going to happen, because ideally 10th হৈছে আজি তাৰ মানে more than 30 days দি দিব লাগিছিলে এতিয়ালৈকে, but the idea. So I think that we should not delay our prep anymore. So I get these messages daily je ba cut off kiman etiao lorasoli are asking the same thing. So I will be repeating it for once again je amar sandpaper mote unreserved category cut off hobo lage 82 pra 86. Okay, this is the unreserved thing. যদি আপুনি আনৰিজাৰ্ভ কেটেগৰীৰ হয় আৰু আপুনি 82 বা 86 ৰ ভিতৰলে পাইছে তেতিয়া হলে তো ৰবলেই নালাগে, because more anxiety hoise for students, মই anxious hoisu because যদি you qualify and you have actually not started preparing, আপোনাৰ ওচৰত থাকিব 2 months, and এই 2 months ত answer writing কৰা, ethics পঢ়া, governance পঢ়া, DM পঢ়া, তাৰ পিছত আমাৰ other prelims oriented, other mains oriented subject বোৰ পঢ়া, আৰু এইবোৰ গুটে গোল মিলাই পেলাই তাক answer writing ত put কৰা, it is a humongous task. It is a humongous task. যদি আপুনি বাকি সাবজেক্টস বোৰ অলৰেডি আগত পঢ়ি লৈছে and only answer writing is left, তথাপিও আপোনাৰ দেৰি হৈছে. If you are anywhere near this, please stop being anxious. ji hobo dekha jabo, start preparing. Jodi enekwa hoy ki this year you do not make it, so next year you will make it. Enekwa to nohoy ki whatever gyan you undertake, that is not going to be useful for the next year. Enekwa to nohoy. So itia actually it's very peak time. If anyone is still waiting ki result ahibo and then I will start preparing, it's a bad idea. You should start preparing right now. If it doesn't work out for you this year, next year you will do it. We have got people who have joined only for mains with us because they are like they want to be super sure jetia teoloke next year exam dibo. And this is the category of students everybody else is fighting with. June itiar porai they are taking mains oriented guidance because they want to be very sure when they write next mains the next year. তেওঁলোকে 3 month বৰখাত বহি থাকিব খুজা নাই, which is actually excellent idea. হেতুৱে হ'ব লাগে. So if you are still waiting যে prelims result আহিব আৰু তাৰ পিছত মই decision দিম, it's going to be very late. It's scary late. Actually to ভয় লগা late হৈছে. So you should start preparing right now. You should start preparing today. To help you with your prep, I have got this very important video. Can't write answers, then you can start writing answer here, writing tips from officers. So before I go into the video, I'll just explain you how Sandpaper can help you in this mains program. So you already must know that Sandpaper has its rank ready mains program. There are 2 modules. This is module A and this is module B. So module 8 we have the answer writing test series, which is literally Assam's longest running answer writing series. So jetia Sandpaper 1.0 jetia start hoisile, because Sandpaper journey is very long. Okay, 5 years of pro bono, first year commercial. So jetia Sandpaper 1.0 start hoisile, Sandpaper 1.0 started as an answer writing initiative. Okay, and it only took 25 kids at that time. Itia ami 10 tai bahaisu per month khali amar batch arambo hoise. So gutei bosorot agote moi okol 25 ta students I used to take, and a lot of those students were my friends, people who I know, and they are already officers. Aru ei jonto answer writing initiative to start hoisile tetia loke answer writing of culture to nasile yat. This culture of answer writing was not there. So this culture of answer writing was brought by Sandpaper 1.0. That's the Sandpaper 2.0 hole, 3.0 hole. All of them less popular asile because we were not commercial. Tetia loke belag jaga to start hoy gol. Kintu this is literally Assam's oldest answer writing series. Jo live answer writing classes hoy. এই লাইভ আনসার রাইটিং ক্লাसेस টু আমি অল্টারনেট ডেজত কৰো, যেনেকে আজি আমাৰ লাইভ আনসার রাইটিং ক্লাস আছিল, হেতু মই কালি কৰিম because I had to make this video today, and already আমাৰ এই সপ্তাহ 2টা লাইভ আনসার রাইটিং ক্লাস হৈ গৈছে, and বাকি কিবা ক্লাস কৰক নকৰক লাইভ আনসার রাইটিং ক্লাস কম্পালসৰিলি কৰাটোৱে মই নিজৰ ষ্টুডেন্ট সকলক এডভাইস কৰোঁ। when I take the live answer writing class, daily answer writing হয়, daily evaluation কৰি পাই যায়, and ইয়াতে 20 টেস্ট লিখা আছে. we have increased it to 24 tests. 24 tests with detailed evaluation by officers only. You must already know ki amar jonto answer writing program hoy, we do not rely on a content team. Because মই আগতেও ভিডিঅ'টো কৈছো content team has people who are also aspirants. তেওঁলোকো আপোনালোকৰ competition হয়. So I have a big doubt ki it is not a race, it's a musical chair. Hey musical chair tut kun keneke bohibo is the ultimate game. So content team or idea to we are not very happy about it, because competition, checking other competitions paper is something that very risky. মোৰ মতেতো it's very risky. So what happens যে আৰু the fault of your examiners should not come to you. And fault আছে নে নাই তো আমি কেনেকে গম পাম selection হৈছে নে নাই. If selection has not happened, তাৰ মানে unfortunately কিবা না কিবা problem টো আছে. So that problem should not get transferred to aspirants. So what we have made sure যে 24 test হ'ব, detailed evaluation by officers only. Set, checked and evaluation by officers only. That is how Sandpaper's answer writing series works. So 18 June already start hoye geche, 6 papers have already gone. Etia baki 24 minus 6 papers ase. If you want to join, you should join today. And the second module is the mains crash course. আমি ভাবিছিলো answer writing series will be more popular, but no, crash course has beaten answer writing series. Daily classes আমার দুটা বেলা ক্লাস হয়, রাতিপুৱা 7:30 AM ক্লাস হয় and 7:30 PM ক্লাস হয়, because we want to make sure যে মাজৰখিনি আপোনালোকৰ নিজৰ কামৰ কাৰণে খালি থাকক. লাইভ আনসাৰ ৰাইটিং ইয়াতেও আছে obviously, ডেইলি আনসাৰ ৰাইটিং ইয়াতে আছে, 24 টেষ্ট and daily class notes and soft copy of PDFs. মেইন গেমটোৱে হৈ যায় ডেইলি ক্লাসেছত, because কিছুমান এনেকুৱা পেপাৰ্স আছে like ethics which are called the game changer paper. We call it the game changer paper. This is a make it or break it paper. আপুনি ethics ফালি পঠালে আপুনি বাকি বিলাকত যদি 1-2 মাৰ্ক নিজৰ কম্পিটিশনৰ পৰা কমও পাইছে, ethics can just overturn the whole game. So ethics is actually taught by officers june he ethical dilemma, ethical situation hebur case study bur face korise. Moi adha class loisu, Brishti adha class loise. Governance, which is actually a very practical paper, to like JD sir who actually was involved in governance. So amar bostubur kenekwa hoy, especially mains jetia hai junbur practical aspect of paper hoy bu practical officers e kore. I think you already know that we have 4 officer mentors and 4 expert mentors, and officer mentors are practically dealing with the practical oriented papers jun basically mains or basi ase, and expert mentors are taking care of the theory part. So we call ourselves number 1 credible team of for APSC, and I think if 4 officer mentors and 4 expert mentors are not credible, then pata nahi who else is. Okay, so again class 18 June pa start hoise, but you can have live and recorded classes both aa jana. Okay, now let's imagine this যে it's an exam hall moment. Apuni 9:30 AM first session class bohise, you are sitting in your exam hall. To imagine korilo. Okay, you are sitting in your exam hall, it's 9:30 AM, you're in the exam hall, you know the answers, but how to structure them. Writing is not just a skill, it's a strategy. Everyone studies and toppers write better. Today I was having this conversation with Chainika, our Assam faculty, and she was telling how a very smart kid of her university has given 3 interviews in APSC. Not 3 interviews, she has written 3 mains in APSC, but she has not qualified yet. Okay, she was telling how she was supposed to be a very smart kid, bahut suka asile. In fact, she considers her to be more smarter than Chainika herself, but Chainika has cleared her main. She has said for her interview, but she was telling ki keneke kiman suka asile. We all have that friend jun bahut suka asile, but kobat when it comes to APSC তেওঁ mains aru interview chakkarot fosi ase. I think moi jete ei kotha to koisu, you already have a name in your mind. Apuni already jane I have a name in my mind. I have got friends who are excellent in their dimag, very suka, kintu kobat ei mains aru interview chakkar tut mane teuluke fosi ase. You know what's the problem is? The problem is answer writing. The problem is writing answers. Because everyone studies, sobe ekekhini bostue pohe. অলপমান বেছি কম হ'ব পাৰে কন্টেন্টৰ কথাত, but toppers just write it better. Answers are your tools for the war named mains. War named mains. আপুনি যেতিয়া mains লিখিব, আপুনি কি অস্ত্ৰ লৈ যাব? আপুনি পেনটো লৈ যাব, আৰু পেনটোৰে লিখিব কি? আনসাৰ্স লিখিব না, গুল কৰাটো নহয় ইয়াত. The point is কি আপুনি যিমানো একদম বহুত সুখা, আপুনি মুধস্ফুটা সুখা, তথাপিও it is not going to work out for you if your answer writing skill is not A game. And I'm telling you, a lot of students also feel যে এক্সামত গৈ ফালি দিম. That doesn't work, দেই. That doesn't work at all. আপুনি এক্সামত গৈ ডাইৰেক্টলি গৈ বহিম আৰু ফালি দিম বুলি যদি ভাবিছে, that's a beautiful delusion. Delulu. That's a delulu. যদি you want to have your solution বা solulu in this, you can enjoy. But this will not give you rank, this will not give you qualification, this is not going to give you anything. Because এতিয়ালৈকে 6 papers হৈ গৈছে, and students who are new are still struggling to finish the paper in mains answer writing program. Paper finish korat, people are struggling. Because practice lagibo. A lot of us has left writing so much of answers, demand questions ahe. So obviously we need practice, obviously we need to write answer, and also it's a strategy. Enuka nohoy ki ami sobe ejon Shakespeare tat goi pela moi edom kalatmak kiba likhi dim, that it's never going to work. So we need to have a proper strategy. We need to develop our skill of answer writing if we want to get qualified as an officer. So in this video, moi 8ta tip dim. Actually to it's more than 250-300 tip. You give me a question paper, apuni likha, then moi potato sentence ot sai kobo paru ki etu keneকুৱা hobo pare etu keneকুৱা, because that is how examiner is also going to look at your paper. But for the broad concept, in this video I'm going to give you 8 tips, and I think if you follow these tips, 30% of your work is done. Okay, for the 70% of the joint sand paper, so 30% of your work is done. Fine. So number 1 point is didactic words, hidden instructions. So discuss, critically analyze, examine are not just English. These define what the examiner expects you from your answer. Misreading is misfiring. Always decode before you write. So প্ৰতিটো APSC question comes with a twist. Okay, comes with a twist. যোনবোৰ static question হয়, sometimes সেইবিলাকত discuss, critically analyze, examine এইবোৰ লগাই পেলাই twist to add কৰি দিয়া যায়. So you need to look very carefully ki a side dot koribo ki dise. If you have been given a statement, if you have been given a question, what are you supposed to do with it? Nai apuni take to boil koribo dise na bhaji khabo dise na kati khabo dise, kiba to koribo dise. He bhaji khabo dise na kati khabo dise na boil kori khabo dise to korba gom pabo. A discuss, critically analyze, examine to ba gom pabo ar dher ase, comment ase, suggest ase, a dher bostu ase, a lot of things are there. Elaborate, elucidate, explain, just koi jaok, a lot of things are there. And please understand যে প্ৰতিটো শব্দৰ মিনিংটো বেলেগ বেলেগ হয়. Critically analyze মানে বেলেগ, discuss মানে বেলেগ, examine মানে বেলেগ, elucidate মানে বেলেগ, examine to কোনটো আছে কে elucidate মানে বেলেগ, illustrate মানে বেলেগ, প্ৰতিটো শব্দৰ মিনিংটো বেলেগ বেলেগ হয়. আৰু যদি আপোনাৰ কোৱেশ্চনটোৱে হেতু কাম কৰা নাই, যোনটো কাম কৰিবলৈ আপোনাৰ কোৱেশ্চনে দিছে, if your answer is not critically analyzed, if your answer is not a good examined answer, it is not discussing it, then say bye bye to your marks. এইগিটাই হল মেইন বস্তু যোনটো আপুনি জানিবই লাগিব. They are not just fancy English words, they are something that the examiner is asking you to do. হেতু যদি আপুনি নকৰে, then your answer is half, your answer is not hitting the sweet spot which is expected of an answer in a APSC mains. যদি examiner চাই পেলাই আপোনাৰ answer to test মুখত না লাগে, then your answer is going to get an average mark. Always decode before you write. Always. Misreading is misfiring. Kunpine shoot koribo lage, if you don't know, then it's not going to work out. So be very careful when you look at these hidden instructions. Dissect the question every time. Most APSC questions have multiple layers. Do not fall into the trap of addressing only one part. Divide the question, allocate space, stay on track. Etu moi sage koi pagola hoy jao. There are very few questions. There are very few questions which are single dimensional. Okay? Which are single dimensional. বহুত কম question আছে এনেকুৱা. ইনফেক্ট নাইয়ে বুলি ধৰিব পাৰি. যদি আপোনালোকে কিবা single dimensional question practice কৰি আছে, please stop wasting your time. If someone is asking you what are the benefits of millet mission, please stop wasting your time. नहीं पूछेगा APSC. If someone is asking you to write an essay on drug menace, stop wasting your time. नहीं पूछेगा APSC. Because drug menace खराब है, सबको पता है. Millet mission का क्या फायदा है, सबको पता है. If you look at your PYQs, you will find that all APSC questions come with a twist. बोलना कुछ, it's looking like it wants to say something else, बोल कुछ और रहा है. So your APSC questions need to be of exact toughness. যোনবোৰ আপুনি practice কৰি আছে, they needs to be of exact toughness যোনটো APSC সুধি আছে. আপুনি practice কৰি গৈছে millet mission ৰ ফায়দা কি, আপুনি essay লিখি গৈছে drug menace, তাৰপিছত তাত আহিছে আপোনাৰ philosophical কিবা গংগা যমুনা question. আপনার of course you have not fought practice well, then how will you fight the battle well? So smaller targetot বঢ়িয়া hit কৰি থাকি লাভ নাই ন, আমি actual targetot ভালকে hit কৰিব লাগিব. So please be very careful of the type of questions you are practicing, because all the questions that APSC asks always have multiple layers. Always have multiple layers. One dimensional question থাকিবই নোৱাৰে. আপুনি যদি কিবা এটা কুৱেশ্যন পঢ়ি পেলাই আপোনাক ওৱান ডিমেনশ্যনেল যেন লাগিছে, বিৱেৰ, তাৰমানে আপুনি কুৱেশ্যনটো বুজি পোৱা নাই. ইউ উইল ৰিড ইট আগেন, ৰিড ইট যেতিয়ালৈকে আপুনি 2 ডিমেনশ্যনেল বা 3 ডিমেনশ্যনেল খিনি ডিমেনশ্যনছ খিনি বা ভাৰ্টিকেলছ খিনি আপুনি ওলাই আনিব পৰা নাই, বাৰে বাৰে পঢ়ি থাকিব. ডু নট ৱেষ্ট, like 90% of your question or answer or bole 90% apni one dimensional kati dile, and second dimensional bole apni eta sentence likhi thoise, apni ei 90% er jiman marks paise tar marks pabo baru etut kintu 0 eta pabo. So be very careful. What are you writing? Divide the question, allocate space, and stay on track. Content when structure follows. Weak content is dressed up emptiness. You must have solid facts, examples, schemes, and data. Join programs if needed, but don't decorate gaps. Eto myth no moi kiman komaru. This is a huge myth. Ajiu when I was discussing with Chenika, she also told ki tai ko kunba forest ranger poa friend e koise je write anything and everything and put a lot of oil. I got very scared. So do you think it's true? She laughed. Of course it's not true. But this is what is people going on around in the market. Ki kuch bhi likh do, তৈল মডাৰ্ণ কৰি দিয়ক, চলি যাব. এণ্ড যেতিয়া আই টক উইথ হাৰ, তেতিয়া মই ৰিয়েলাইজ কৰিছো, সেইকাৰণে মেইনছ আনচাৰ ৰাইটিঙত যোৱা বছৰ মানুহে ইমান পাকিস্তান মুৰ্দাবাদ কৰি আছিলে, তাৰপিছত ইমান এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ পল পাৰ্টিৰ গুণ গাই আছিলে, সেইকাৰণে নেকি? ইজ দিছ ৱাই অল দ্য পাকিস্তান বেশিং ইজ হেপনিং ইন দ্য পেপাৰ? যদি ইউ আৰ অফ দিছ আইডিয়া যে কুছ ভি লিখ দো, তেল লগা দো, আপ হিৰো হৈ যাওগে, এতিয়ালৈকেতো মোক ক'বলৈ একো নাই, ইউ আৰ গোইং টু বি ইন এ ভেৰি বিগ ৰুট শ্বক. যদি আপুনি এইটো কৰি আছে এণ্ড ইউ আৰ থিংকিং যে আপোনাৰ মেইনছ কিয় হোৱা নাই, থাৰ্ড এটেম্প্ট হৈ গ'ল, ফ'ৰ্থ এটেম্প্ট হৈ গ'ল, এইটো কাৰণে হোৱা নাই. ইফ ইউ আৰ গোয়িং উইথ, সেইকাৰণে মই বাৰে বাৰে কওঁ কি ডু নট ডিপেণ্ড অন পিয়াৰ্ছ টু মাছ, বিকজ এট দ্য এণ্ড অফ দ্য ডে দিছ ইজ এ কণ্টেষ্ট. এইটো মই কিমান কম, এট দ্য এণ্ড প্ৰেক্টিকেলি ভাবি চাওঁ, এট দ্য এণ্ড অফ দ্য ডে ইটছ এ কণ্টেষ্ট. এনেকুৱা নহয় কি এইটো স্কুলৰ এক্সাম আৰু চবে গ্ৰুপ ষ্টাডি কৰি পাছ কৰি যাব, এনেকুৱা নহয়. তাৰ 200 চামথিং টাইহে চিট আছে, 4,000 মানুহে এক্সাম লিখিব, সেই 4,000 মানুহৰ কাৰণে মাজতে এই 200 চামথিং মানুহ বহিব. চ' অবভিয়াছলি পিয়াৰ্ছৰ মাজত কণ্টেষ্ট আছে. ৱাই উইল দ্য পিয়াৰ্ছ চে ইউ দ্য ৰাইট থিং? ইমান ছাপৰ্টিভ পিয়াৰ আছে, ঠিক আছে, ভাল কথা, বাট এট দ্য এণ্ড অফ দ্য ডে সেই ছাপৰ্টটো উইল টেক ইউ অনলি চ' ফাৰ, বিকজ তেওঁ যদি 100 জানে, আপোনাক ডেফিনেটলি 60 বা 70 ক'ব. সেইকাৰণে ষ্টে আৱে ফ্ৰম পিয়াৰ্ছ. আৰু চিয়ানা পিয়াৰ হলেতো আপোনাক ক'বাত ডিষ্ট্ৰেক্ট কৰাব. They will say you completely random things. Tale ja bhal hobo. And completely random things are para apuni last go pelai hey prelims pains or chakkar fasi rakhibo, and 1 more year wasted. So please avoid too much peer dependency. Work on your content. Ebur je kiba jata likhile hoi jabo, ene gan likhi thoi aibi hoi jabo, paper fill koria, এইবিলাকৰ পৰা দূৰত যাওক. কিমান কম আৰু মই চাগে কৈ 1 বছৰে হ'ল পেপাৰ ফিলৰ কনচেপ্টটো বা দূৰলৈ যাওক. আই ডোন্ট নো ফ্ৰম ৱেৰ দিছ কনচেপ্ট হেজ কাম, বাট ইট হেজ ৰিচড অলমোষ্ট এভৰি এছপিৰেণ্ট যে যাতা লিখিলে আহিলে হ'ল. এক্সামিনাৰ ইজ নট শাৰ্প. এক্সামিনাৰ ইজ নট শাৰ্প. হেভ ইউ লুক এট দ্য পেপাৰ দিছ ইয়াৰ? Examiner is 100x, 200, 2000x smarter than all of you. So if you think that आप तेल लगा दोगे, Pakistan bashing कर दोगे, and you're going to pass with zero content, not going to happen. Okay, not going to happen. And যেতিয়া you are talking about weak content, আপুনি বোলে dressed up emptiness. এবাৰ মই essay দেখিছো. I have seen this in essay. মই কৈছো ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকক, the same thing people are repeating in different languages. যদি মই তেওঁলোকক কিবা এটা philosophical essay দিছো, so what is happening যে প্ৰথম এটা কিবা এটা টপিক ধৰি ললে, মানে প্ৰথম এটা এক্সাম্পল এটা ধৰি ললে, মই আই থিংক সুধিছিলো কি conscience is not the echo of society নে এনেকুৱা কিবা এটা সুধিছিলো. সো হেতুত মানে কি হৈছে, এটা টপিক ধৰিলে, এটা এক্সাম্পল ধৰি লৈছে ষ্টুডেন্টছে, এণ্ড হেতুকে বেলেগ ৰূপত লিখি আছে. দ্যাটছ এইটো কৰিলে গম পায় কি ষ্টুডেণ্টে প্লেন কৰা নাই, ষ্টুডেণ্টে থট দিয়া নাই, এণ্ড দ্যাট ইজ নট গোইং টু বি টেকেন ৱেল বাই দি এক্সামিনাৰ. ইফ দ্য কণ্টেণ্ট ইজ নট অ'কে, build it, build your content. And if you don't have solid facts, examples, schemes, and data, then join programs. যদি আপুনি ভাবিছে কি আপুনি নিজে নোৱাৰিব পাৰে, 3 months is a small time for you, you want someone good to do it for you, join some crash course. একো problem নাই, join a crash course. they will, if you join an actually good crash course, মই নিজৰ কথা vouch কৰিব পাৰো কি how much effort we put in each student's answers. You can ask the students of our crash course and answer writing কিমান effort each student এ পায়. I can vouch for my crash course ki of course if you join sandpaper then we can cut down your effort by 1/3. নিজৰ practice to obviously কৰিবই লাগিব, but কি content লিখিব আছে কি নাই কেনেকে ভাবিব আছে, all that can be shortened. If you want to join a program, but don't think that you have enough content by writing simple answers. Simple question বোৰ যদি আপুনি practice কৰি গৈ পেলাই আপুনি ভাবিছে কি আপুনি বহুত ভালকে পাৰিছে, তাৰ পিছত your content is weak, আপুনি শুনিছে যে page fill কৰিলে হৈ যায়, so আপোনাৰ plan হয় যে আপুনি কিবা কিবি এটাই বস্তু ঘূৰাই লিখি page fill কৰি দিব and your mains will be done. So no, it's not going to be done. Work on your content, work on solid fact, work on examples, work on schemes, work on data, and make your content very solid. Okay? This is something যোনটো মই মোৰ টাইমত ভুল কৰিছিলো. Okay? Simple language, sharp delivery. So আমাৰ টাইমত এখন ইংলিছ পেপাৰ আছিলে. Okay, we had a separate English paper, and before my English paper, মোক সব মোৰ well wishers এ কৈছিলে, please don't make it too flowery. It is not required. But me being me, I used exceptional flowery language, and I got terrible marks in my English. Ekdam worst marks in English. I got it unimaginably bad. So মই বহুত দিন বুজিও নাপালো কি why it happened, till it was again repeated to me in various circumstances ki simple language is what is appreciated and sharp delivery is what is appreciated. Jodi apuni besi ornamental likhibo jay, if you write too much ornamental, if you write too much flowery language, it is not appreciated in APSC or UPSC. You need to have clean language, a language in a way it is understood ki bolna kya chahte ho. It should be understood ki what do you want to say. If it's not understood only what am I wanting to say, তেতিয়া kya fayda likhe mat likho. So clean language is very important. Zero errors. মই লৰা ছোৱালী বিলাকৰ question paper চাইছো, too much of gijimiji is happening, like is happening. So we cannot do this gijimiji. If we are striking it off calmly, not a problem, but don't do too much of gijimiji. Okay? And administrative tone needs to be there. When etu baru apnaloke details are, it's so difficult to put it in one video, but by administrative tone we mean a very formal tone. We cannot be, hi guys, we cannot be like that in our paper. We'll have to make a very formal tone. We have to keep a very straight neutral tone, unbiased tone, which is required in your answers. And short sentences, active voice, no jargon without need. Apni jodi that unnecessary kiba kibi shortcut lagai diye nahi chalega. You cannot have shortcuts in your paper. If you think Japani, this is also another trend I am finding out. People are using flowcharts, just using single sentence and done. Jodi apunar osot bole homoy nai, you are getting short of time. Last ot bole apni 10 markor kita koribole thoi disile, tar bole 5টা বাকি আছে, বাকি খিনি আপুনি ভালকে নরমালি প্যাটার্ন ফলো করিয়ে কৰিছে, হে 10 মার্কৰ 5টা আপুনি বলে এড্ৰু দি কৰিছে চলেগা, because you don't have time. কিন্তু আপুনি যদি ভাবিছে কি you are going to convert your paper into a notes on নিচিনাকে বোলে এনেকুৱা সিঙ্গল এনেকুৱা এইবোৰ যদি কৰিছে, please expect answer, please expect marks like this only, because এখন পেপাৰ হয় আপোনাৰ নোটস নহয়. সো আপুনি যদি ভাবি লয় আপুনি এনেকুৱা একদম কিবা কিবি আঁকি দিব এন্ড এক্সামিনাৰে পঢ়ি পেলাই বহুত খুশ হৈ যাব, এফৰ্ট লগাব, वैसा नहीं होता है. You will have to follow it the old traditional way, format follow koro. Jodi enukwa hoise bole apunar somoy nai, jonto dekhile examiner buji pai jay ki etu somoy nohol, etu somoy di likha proshno. So jodi somoy nai hua tetia hole go for kunai kotha nai, kintu it is also advised je jiman pare himan nijor junkhini pattern hoy etu dhori pela poho, dhori pela likho. Okay, next, respect the word limit, cut the fluff. Etu ma already koiswe olop agote. Writing more is not writing better. Stay relevant, drop ornamental padding, word economy, intellectual discipline. I think you already understood about it. Jodi 150 words koise khub besi 170 jao, tar upor le gole it is going to be disastrous for you in terms of time. Jodi apnar 250 word likhibo dise khub besi 270 jao, tar pisot jodi bole apuni bole 500 word likhise teta hole ghore gusi jao 500 শব্দ to likhi pele, because ফায়দা তো নাই. 500 শব্দ তো লিখিবলৈ তো আপনি আধা ঘন্টা লগালে, তো বাকি কিটা তো আপনি কি লিখি হেড করব. সো যদি আপনি 250 আর 270 ডিফারেন্স তো চাবলৈ না জানে, ঘৰত প্র্যাকটিস কৰক, নিজৰ শব্দখিনি চাওক, চাই পেলাই কাউন্ট কৰিবলৈ পটককে শিকক, নহলে আই এস্টিমেশন কৰিব শিকক কি কিমান পেজত কিমান দূৰ আপোনাৰ 250 বা 150 ওয়ার্ডস হয়. ওকে, Next, localize always. Toppers mention Assam where it matters. Add relevant states, scheme, issue, data, and example. Don't generalize local references, contextual authority. So, jiman ami example diu, we should give it very Assam-oriented example. Okay? Jodi amar monot nai and the paper is bole international relation, I am not saying that don't give heavy answers, but try to give as many Assam-oriented examples that you can. Some examples which actually show you understand the concept. আপনি কোবাৰ পৰা উঠাই আনি মুখস্থ কৰি আনি তাত লগোৱা এক্সাম্পলৰ কথা কোৱা নাই if they are asking you a concept you should be able to connect it to an Assam oriented popular example which will clearly show ki aapko pata hai you know what is the topic about apuni jane ki tar likhibole ki dia hoise aru hetu karone apuni Assam oriented example to put korise and that is where all the difference happens moi kome student hokolok je jetia baki bilake 5 পাই আছে আমি পাব লাগে 6 বা 7 only 2 mark বা 1 mark or difference यही चाहिए बस और हे 2 mark or 1 mark or difference to केनेके आनिब लागे हेतु तो बारो I'll be able only to tell you in our series কিন্তু हे 2 mark or 1 mark or difference to गुटे paper or difference to आने because যদি আপুনি প্ৰতিখন paper এটা marks বেছি পায় তাৰ মানে in 20 questions you are going to 20 marks more যদি 2 mark বেছি পাই যায় তাৰ মানে আপুনি 40 marks বেছিকে পাব from the rest of the students तब क्या है so one question we need to get more than the rest of the people at least 1 mark okay use diagrams when they add value don't sketch for the sake of it use map flowchart timeline only when they can simplify one crisp diagram can add 80 words so dm hawk geography hawk I think apnalage jane ki map is important parile try making the app as accurately as possible okay jodi apuni map to banai please make sure je apunar basic junkhini ase at least hekhini map type hoy if you follow some v technique u technique all this technique you use k technique all this technique you use there is a high chance ki your map actually might not look like a map so hetu apni ghore practice korok how to actually make a map আৰু যিমান closer to actuality apna map khon hobo himan beshi apni marks pabo jodi kunbai koy map doesn't matter enuka nohoy map matters of course map matters jodi apunar map tot aguri senior na pai tete mo keneke gom pam what is the map why is the map how is the map hoy na nohoy so map needs to be very very like you know as close to accurate as you can aru he boli enekwa nohoy ki mo map akibo na janu kane mo map na aku you will have to practice so that your map gets better okay last don't just write practice like it's one top ranks come from relentless targeted practice write review rewrite repeat avoid open peer circles improve strategically so answer writing is actually the whole thing in a mains prep apuni jimanu content gutai nolok kyo it's actually interdependent apunar jodi eku content nai answer likhibo nware apunar jodi dhei content ase apni answer likhibo nware kam nai it is interdependent so both of it are very very important and you need to practice both of it don't just write practice like it's one jiman pare himan question likhok jiman pare no matter how much you are trying to write just write likhok and eta kotha okol likhi thakile nohobo get it checked by someone who is credible I am a very strong opposer of peer circles very honestly speaking I am such a strong opposer june muk sai ase etia and if you have been a part of my mains answer writing circle ever from the last 5 years you will know that I don't share answers jodi kunba ejon student e kiba eta answer likhise I don't share it with others khub beshi the best answer was written by amuk boli my statement to dim kintu I will not share answer that's not my style why kyunki junjon student e answer to likhise the student who has written the best answer teo junbo tactic hoy teo junto style hoy hetu moi give away kyo koru why should I give away to the rest of the competition moi teolokok individually improve koribo kom I will give them my tricks my tips but junbur ejon student e already gather kori loise nijor writing on hetu I will never tell it to some other student because it is not fair kiba eta competitive advantage jodi ejonor student or ase because of the answer why will I tell it to someone else so jodi apnalake open peer circle ko by join korise so you are giving away your competitive exam sorry no giving away your competitive edge ji apuni bhal likhi ase hetu apuni already belegok hikai di ase belegok hikai dia kam coaching center or belegok hikai dia kam mur apunar hoy apnar kam hika নিজৰ আনসাৰৰ এজ বঢ়োৱা আৰু এনেকুৱাকে প্ৰেজেন্ট কৰা যাতে আপুনি বেলেগ আপোনাৰ লগৰ বাকি 3999 মানুহক বিট কৰি আগলৈ যাব পাৰে वही तो चाहिए এইটো নিজৰ মাইন্ডত ঘুমাই লব সাপোর্ট গ্ৰুপ পিয়াৰ গ্ৰুপ I am not saying যে healthy I am not saying যে we should be cutthroat but at the end of the day this is a competition. This is a competition, this is not a school or exam যে সবে মিলিজুলি পাস কৰিম স্কুলৰ এক্সাম হলে আপোনালোকে বহক ওপেন পিয়াৰ কি আপুনি যিমান ডাঙৰ বিয়াৰ যিমান ডাঙৰ কিবা আপুনি ফিডব্যাক সার্কেল জয়েন কৰিব বিচাৰে কৰি থাকক এটোৰ একো প্ৰবলেম নাই কিন্তু দিস ইজ নট হেৰি না দিস ইজ নট এন ওপেন পিয়াৰ যাৰ পৰা আপুনি যোন কন্টেন্ট টিমৰ পৰা আপুনি চেক কৰাই আছে সেই কন্টেন্ট টিমৰ মানুহে আপোনাৰ লগত এক্সামত বহি আছে যোন টিচাৰৰ পৰা আপুনি পঢ়ি আছে কিছুমানৰতো সাম চেণ্টাৰ্ছৰ ডিৰেক্টৰ্ছ আৰ গিভিং দি এক্সাম এগেইন সো যদি হেনেকুৱা টিচাৰৰ পৰা who is also your contest if he is giving then you're giving up your competitive edge so this is very actually more opinion this is very troublesome so be very sure ki apuni jodi jane ki you are writing excellent answers ba apuna kiba tokata edge ase jonto belegor nai don't give it away नहीं दिखाओ सबको क्यों दिखाना है আপোনাৰ ভাল আছে যদি আপনি নিজৰ ওচৰত ৰাখক না মিউজিক্যাল চেয়াৰ হয় কম্পিটিশন হয় or get it checked by someone who is not your competition get it checked by us not your competition get it checked by some friend of yours who is already in the services not a contest get it checked with your brother and sister already in the service not a competition so understand code আপোনাৰ competitive edge to ৰখাব লাগে code competitive edge to give away কৰিব নালাগে okay and I might sound very harsh but মই aspirantor point of view pa koiso if I am standing in the hairy of an aspirant if I am standing in the juta of an aspirant foot of an aspirant shoes of an aspirant then I need to be very careful ki moi ki kori asu because this is not just an exam it is my life it is my career so you need to be very very careful what you are doing right now because jodi apnaloke etia prelims pass korise tar mane you are prelims pass kora mane apuni dhorok 33% you have completed your exam apni mains clear koribo 33 no hoy this is like 50% clearing your exam because it's like prelims mains interview okay interview to bar moi dhora nai 50% right now 50% right now jodi apni prelims pa mains ole jay to mane 50% you have already cleared aru 50% baki ase interview pisor khini ami kibake manage korlam kyunki jodi apni mains or pa interview major khini phali diye to interview pisor khini ami dimag lagabo na okay then this is it from my side today even if you're feeling distracted if you're feeling discouraged apnar mon nai pohibole because exam aha nai result aha nai you're not getting motivated this is high time ki apuni kunba phale to agot jao either start preparing for prelims or start preparing for mains kahi to you need to move you cannot just keep staying here you need to move ita kun bine move koribo that's your call okay so I'll again say you can join us Sandpaper in its rank ready mains program answer writing series and its crash course and it has already started from 18 so basically no koribo I'll be waiting and 4 other officer mentor and 4 other expert mentors are waiting to give you the best guidance available in Assam. Thank you so much.